In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a date format in Excel. Clear, consistent date formatting makes your worksheets easier to read and analyze, and the process only takes a moment once you know where to look. Let's walk through it together from start to finish. First, select the cells that contain the dates you want to reformat. You can click and drag across a range, select an entire column by clicking the column letter, or hold the Control key while clicking to select multiple separate ranges. Take a second to make sure you've included every cell that needs the new look, because the changes you're about to make will apply to everything you've highlighted. With your dates selected, press Ctrl+1 on your keyboard. This opens the Format Cells dialog, which is the central place for telling Excel how to display numbers, text, currency, and dates. It's worth noting that formatting changes the way a value looks, not the value itself. Your underlying dates remain the same. You're just instructing Excel on how to present them. In the Format Cells window, go to the Number tab. This tab organizes all the available formatting categories, and it's where Excel groups both ready-made date options and advanced custom setups. If you're ever unsure where a setting lives, remember that the Number tab is your home base for anything related to how numbers appear. Next, click either Date or Custom. The Date category gives you a list of common locale-aware date formats such as month, day, year, or day, month, year, along with variations that include abbreviated month names or two-digit years. If one of those presets matches what you want, you're almost done. If you need something more specific, the Custom category lets you define your own pattern using format codes. Finally, choose a format or type your own. For example, typing MMDDI shows two-digit months and days with a four-digit year, while DD displays a day, a three-letter month like Jan or Oct, and a four-digit year. Use D for day, M for month, Y for year, and add separators like slashes, dashes, or spaces to suit your style. You can also include time, such as HHMM if your dates include it. When you're satisfied with the preview, click OK to apply it. If a date's appearance doesn't change after formatting, it may be stored as text rather than a real date value, so keep an eye out for that. Otherwise, that's it. Your dates are now clean, consistent, and ready for use across your workbook.